Best lives for animals. You're not the only one that deserves the best life. So do your animals. Do you know that animals can actually feel what you feel? Do you also know that animals have feelings of happiness and sadness? When you leave, they miss you. They just can't communicate that to you. Best Lives has a collagen and a beet powder developed through a biohacking mechanism of technology that I formulated as a proprietary formula to really help animals so their joints and their bodies feel better. So I'll give you an example. Horses have a lot of problems with their hair, they have a lot of problems with their joints, and this can be a life and death thing when it comes to animals. This was really important for me to develop a formula that could support large animals and small animals. You can start with 1/4 of a teaspoon to 1/2 of a teaspoon and go up to even more for your larger animals. A lot of times it will depend on what the animal's going through, but if they've experienced pain or aging and you know they have arthritis or other autoimmune disorders, this is something really developed to support them so they can have the best life and you can spend your best life with them so that together you develop a wonderful environment to live throughout the rest of your life.